What's up, everyone? We're really excited to have our first team meeting.
Woo!
That's right. You know, the last year and a half, we've been going through a lot of different creative ideas.
Oh, you mean like that pop-up assembly we did?
Everyone, hands in the air. This is an assembly. Woo! Yeah! Up to cowboy.
We don't talk about the pop-up assembly.
Yeah, you know, it was a trial and error period. We were trying a lot of new ideas and things that...
Like lead you on ice?
Player on the ice, not so nice. Woo.
Yeah, Lead You on Ice wasn't our finest moment. There was a lot of different things we tried, though, right?
Well, what about the virtual reality assembly?
Can anybody see me? Mike? Mike!
So anyways,
You can't forget about the lead you cruise.
Yeah, we needed a bigger boat.
Why don't we bring this party back to land? Remember we did lead Uber?
So,
What about lead Uber Eats?
okay. Look, obviously there was a trial and error period. Not everything worked out for us. However, at Lead You, we pride ourselves on being creative, right? So we are really excited to roll out 2 separate assembly models that keep kids safe, ensure that they have fun, and really deliver meaningful content in a time where they need it the most.
the first option we have is coming to your schools in person. So we can offer a safe space outside or doing grade level bubbles inside.
We also have a virtual option, of course. If you're interested in learning more about this unique twist on a virtual assembly or workshop, make sure you reach out to us. Hands in. Lead You on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Woo!